Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So what we have here is we're putting this, we looked it up, and apparently this was made in 1952, and it's a Motorola television advertising sign, which would have been in a brand new television store back in the day. Super nice. This is a wood frame, all original. This is glass here. Let me show you the back of it. And there's a glass panel in the back as well, okay? This is a light up sign. As you see, it's got 4 brand new light bulbs in it. It's got a hanger on it, wood frame, glass front and rear. And what I believe that this is that about this period of time, they started making those hams, scrolling signs, which the plastic would go around and it made the water move. And I think this is the same technology that between these two pieces of glass is sandwiched some type of a photography on a thin piece of plastic, which has made this a light up see-through sign. So that's what I believe it is, sandwiched between 2 pieces of glass. It's got some really cool, this is a really nice period 1952 style of a living room, which people would have lived in, that was modern and state of the art at the time. It's got all really nice bamboo furniture in it. Here's your Motorola television set. And one of the cool things, and this is Hank Williams Sr. that everybody's sitting around watching sing on the television set, Hank Williams Sr. So really super nice sign, wood, glass, light up, television, furniture 1952, just a great sign. So if you like it, we'll get it boxed up and shipped out to you. And as always, thank you for watching our videos. You people chime in on a daily basis. We appreciate the comments. And if you keep watching, we'll keep making them. Thank you very much.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.